I've been doing this for a long time, been exploring specifically for copper or gold type deposits in central BC. We put a lot of holes in what look like viable targets, and I haven't seen anything quite as significant as what we're seeing at the STARS project to date. So I tell people that we may be putting out photos of the core, but these photos are showing that there's significant copper mineralization in our core. It's very exciting. It's hard to hold that back. You actually have copper mineralization cutting across pre-existing copper mineralization. So you have more than just one event of veins and fluids coming up through the earth and cutting across pre-existing veins that were part of an earlier or long-lived system. So we know that we have a system that at least had multiple pulses of copper-rich fluids. We have chalcopyrite-only veins. They're not mixed in with pyrite, they're actually predominantly chalcopyrite. So we know that being part of a larger system, you actually have the segregation of the different elements into zones. So that that kind of implies that we're dealing with quite a significant size system here.